make some notches in the wood where these two boards will fit together. Now I have to nibble out the area in between. With the wood removed, I have to do the same thing with the top board, but then in an opposite fashion. So I have to take out the corners. That's what I'm going to do now. Okay, we got the first pieces done, very loosely and uneven, but we'll get back to that. So the opposite side's taken out. I got my top step. Now go on, do the same thing with the bottom step, which is slightly different. Okay, now let's see whether it is starting to fit. That works. Okay. Okay, it looks good. And pretty sturdy already. Then a man with a plan. The next step is making a few supports to get it a little bit tighter and more secured. So I got most pieces together. It's almost finished, but then the finishing work still, so I'm not even halfway there. But I'll start with the lower steps. Put the top on first. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle. Go with the second step. Yeah, that will have a support here to put things together, and one at the top. And finally, this already is really very sturdy, so it's works better than I expected. Still have to make one addition, but that's the next step. The last thing that I need to do is devise something that keeps the small step and the larger one, the sides, keep them together, because normally that's one piece, one solid piece. These are two separate ones, so I have to keep those together. And to do that, in a simple way. I want to make a dado in here, and that's just an example. And then I glue a little strip of wood on this side, and that will slide together very easily. So that's still loose, but it keeps it very tight. And with every pass, I make it a little bit deeper. Okay, I got these little strips now, and they will be glued on at this location. Okay, that's number 2. So when the glue dries up, all the parts are ready, at least for a final fit, and see how sturdy it is. If it's sturdy enough, I can start working on the step-in area of the van. Okay, as you can see, it does fit quite well in this step-in area, and I still got some space left for some flip-flops. So what I'll probably do is move everything here over to the right, and then I have some space for my flip-flops or for the leash for the dog. That's my step. Now the big test. Looks good. It feels good. I have to sleep on it, but I think it's a good solution. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.